Welcome back. Let's now return our attention to the anatomy or structure of the male reproductive system. Remember, in the last segment, you learned that the sperm is made up in the testes. Once the sperm has been made, it moves into the seminiferous tubules. The seminiferous tubules leave each of the testes and form the epididymis. The epididymis is a highly convoluted tubule about 5 centimeters long, but wider than the seminiferous tubules. There's an epididymis situated on top of each testis. When the mature sperm cells have been produced, they are stored in the epididymis. If the sperm is not used, in other words, if the male does not ejaculate the sperm, they simply die and are reabsorbed into the body. The tube that leaves the epididymis is called the vas deferens. The vas deferens leaves the scrotal sac and runs into the male body, up and around the urinary bladder. When the male ejaculates sperm, the sperm moves from the epididymis along the vas deferens. The vas deferens passes a number of accessory glands which add substances to the sperm. The accessory glands are important in that even if the testes are producing fertile sperm, a man may suffer from infertility if the accessory glands are not functioning correctly. This is because the accessory glands add substances to the sperm that ensure the survival of the sperm in its journey from testes to ovary. The seminal vesicles secrete a yellowish liquid into the vas deferens. This seminal fluid contains a food source for the sperm. It nourishes the sperm and keeps the sperm supplied with energy. The prostate gland secretes a milky alkaline fluid into the vas deferens. This fluid assists with the motility of the sperm and counteracts acids in the urethra and vagina. Acid will kill sperm. Since the sperm moves down the same tube that the male's urine moves, the acid of the urine needs to be combated. Likewise, the female vagina is acidic, mainly to prevent infection by microorganisms. However, the acid environment would harm the sperm, so the fluid secreted by the prostate glands counters the acidic environment. Another accessory gland is Cooper's gland. It is pronounced Cooper's even though it is a strange spelling. Cooper's gland adds a substance to the vas deferens which assists with sperm motility. This substance also assists with lubrication of the penis in the vagina by producing a slippery fluid which escapes from the tip of the penis prior to ejaculation. Once the vas deferens passes accessory glands and has all the additives contributed to the sperm, the substance in the tube is now called semen. The vas deferens passes under the urinary bladder and joins the urethra, which leaves the bladder. The urethra thus carries urine and semen, but at different times. It is impossible to urinate and ejaculate semen simultaneously. The urethra travels down the penis and exits the body. The penis is the external male sex organ responsible for transferring sperm from the male to the female. In order for this transfer to take place, the erectile tissue of the penis becomes filled with blood and the penis becomes stiff and hard. This is an erection. The angle of the penis and the stiffness facilitate entry into the female's vagina during intercourse. The tip of the penis is very sensitive and is called the glans. The glans is covered by retractable protective skin called the foreskin. Nine quiz enizoyenza ngoku guys and ndizonibona emva kwayo.